Hey tech enthusiasts, buckle up because today I'm diving deep into everything you need to know about iOS 18. If you're an Apple user or just a tech aficionado, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First off, the interface. iOS 18 brings a sleeker, more intuitive design that's all about efficiency. With smoother transitions and a more organized notification center, your daily phone interactions are going to feel more fluid than ever. Imagine swiping through apps with transitions so smooth it feels like you're gliding. Now, let's talk about the features that are getting everyone buzzing. The new personalized spatial audio is a game changer. It customizes sound based on how you, specifically, hear. This means your music, your calls, and your movies are tuned perfectly for your ears. Think about that. A concert customized just for you, right in your living room. Security in iOS 18 has taken a giant leap forward. With advanced data protection and enhanced privacy settings, your information is locked down tighter than Fort Knox. Apple's commitment to user privacy continues to be a core pillar, reassuring us that our personal data isn't just out in the wild. For the photographers out there, the updated camera software is something to get excited about. Enhanced night mode, smarter AI integration for photo editing, and a new depth control feature that allows for more precise focus adjustments. Your iPhone is about to take DSLR quality photos, all from your pocket. And let's not forget about Siri. Apple's AI has gotten a significant upgrade too. Faster response times, more accurate recognition, and an ability to understand and execute more complex commands. It's like having a personal assistant who actually understands what you need before you even ask. But it's not all just bells and whistles. iOS 18 is also about inclusivity. With new accessibility features that cater to a broader range of needs, Apple is ensuring that everyone can enjoy the full potential of their devices. Whether it's through voice control, enhanced visual aids, or more intuitive touch controls, iOS 18 is designed to be for everyone. And of course, what's a new iOS without some fun? The updated Animoji and Memoji are set to be more expressive than ever. Plus, there are new themes and customization options that let you make your device truly your own. It's about letting your personality shine through your tech. In conclusion, iOS 18 isn't just an update, it's a transformation. It's shaping up to be more intuitive, more powerful, and more personal. Whether you're a tech guru or just someone who appreciates a good gadget, iOS 18 is gearing up to enhance your digital experience in ways you might not have imagined. So, what do you think? Are you as excited about iOS 18 as I am? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and let's get this conversation started. And hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you won't miss any updates. Catch you in the next video.